Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Okay. Yo, what up, Jennifer? Joseph, sweet. Cool. From Asia, eh? All right, sweet dudes. We got fucking market open here. I just wanted to show you quickly how we start off here. We're gonna be trading the NASDAQ. It looks pretty clean today. Hopefully it's getting ping, 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 ping. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Let's tell Instagram that we're live, baby. Okay. What up, boys? Okay, yeah, it has been a few days. I wanted to just not stream. I wanted to just not trade the past few days. And I think that's fine. And some days I don't like doing anything. And, you know, now I'm feeling like I want to do stuff again. You know what I mean? And I want to just check a few things. SCCO absolutely fucking doing well. Pre-market's up. This is our copper. Our copper holdings are doing well. Copper, and if you guys aren't aware, there's a copper shortage. And copper has yet to moon like silver and gold. And copper is required for all of this infrastructure for AI, electric cars, these data servers, super, super critical, and there's a shortage, okay? And the expected use of copper is supposed to double in the next decade, okay? So this is a very long-term play for me, but copper is probably going to be one of my best holdings, aside from like Bitcoin and crypto, over the next decade, right? That being said, Bitcoin's currently rejecting off of a monthly level. And I mean, this is pretty obvious it was going to reject here. We just don't know how much it's going to reject here. So all we're really looking for is, I want to see us continue to hold these weekly levels, right? If we lose this level, it might be coming back down lower, right? I'm currently kind of like iffy on crypto. I'm not super certain what to do, just because there's kind of this range that we're in right now, right? The VIX is having a seizure. That's what the VIX does, my guy. VIX. That's what the VIX. Volatility is actually pretty low.
You didn't grind and hustle for years for you to just not do what you want. Hunter, good to have you back.
Good to have me back. Yeah, boy. I mean, I'm in Miami now. You guys want to see my room? It's pretty shit. I don't spend much money. I'll tell you guys honestly. I honestly do not spend much money. Look at this. This is my room. That's it. That's it. That's literally the entire room. I'm sitting on a fucking stool. I do not. Can you show again? Yeah, that's the room, dude. It's just, that's it. That's and look at me. I'm sitting on a stool in the corner. Yeah. That's bling bling bling.
Bling,
yeah.
bling, bling.
Bling bling bling. Okay. Oops. What did I just click? Oopsies.
Back to grinding days.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay, wait. Let's reopen that. Okay. By the way, new OMO challenge. If you go here, this is actually way cheaper. 40% off if you use the coupon. So this will be 15. This will be $15 actually. It's more than 40% off. Use the code OMO for this new challenge. Basically, it's a new challenge that's very much similar drawdown and everything, except you can trade the news. There's a we call it M2 protector, something like that. And that if you lose 2% on a running trade, you'll be cut off for the day. No scalping, something like that. Oh, and unlimited profits. You don't have profit caps after 2 payouts, okay? So this one's $15 for
No
5K.
payout cap as well.
Yeah, no payout cap. Let me just open TradingView again, and let's look here because I just wanted to show you what's going down on the. This is the easiest way to trade the pre-market and the market open. I'm going to explain to you here because we actually I think we want to take longs soon, but I'm just going to show you. This is the strategy. You can clip this probably. You can clip this. Let me just open this up. Can you show off your tattoo? Yeah, the hand's pretty cool, dude. Yeah. I don't know why this ain't opening, bro.
Bro, why is OMO expensive than the standard despite having more challenging parameters?
What is going on, bro? It's not more expensive. It's fucking like half the price, bro. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, cool. Okay, so let me show you how this works, okay? Let me show you a strategy for market open and pre-market, okay? You can clip this, right? What you do is you look at the hourly candle on the open. So what you've noticed is we failed to make a new high on that hourly. So what did they do? Oops. They literally just retested that level, and then now they're coming back down, okay? That's it. So they're coming back down here. So we want to be bullish also because they also failed this level. We want to be bullish on this zone here, and we want to be bearish on that zone on the open, okay? If you look at yesterday, for example, you gained that level, so it spiked up, okay? And the day before, right? The day before, you could say, hey, they bounced off that level, so they went up on the open, okay? So that's it. You literally look at the hourly, right? And so you can see they failed it, so they're coming back down, and they're filling these orders now, okay? So that's literally all we need to look at. We're looking at a 5 now, and I want to see a 5 close back within here, okay? And they might reject further. I'm not sure. What I'd like to do is pick up a buy here maybe. We might get some volatility on the open, right? But I'd like to pick up a buy on these lows. The London lows would be nice, right? Because overall, pretty bullish still. So London lows would be my buy. So probably let's go here. And can I indices? Oh yeah. How do I open a trade here? Bum 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 bum. Okay, we'll probably we'll try to pick up a couple. Pending. I think that's where we want. Here? Yeah, here. Yeah, we want those London low. Well, I mean, like that sort of like maybe London open too over here. Yeah, right. Maybe that London. Maybe like that. Okay. And we'll see if we can pick up those orders, right? Pick up those orders on the open, quick spike down, hopefully. Need a full course DMC in one video. I'm not sure why you need one video when you can just separate the videos. It's easier. Which pair are we looking at? NASDAQ. Can someone else teach your concept instead of you? You're a terrible teacher. I mean, I'm not a terrible teacher. You're maybe too stupid. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you're too stupid to be dumb, you know? Can you imagine how difficult it was for me to learn this when I had somebody not explain it to me? Isn't that crazy? Like, you know what? You know what I had to do is I had to learn this without somebody teaching it to me, okay? So you get the advantage that I'm teaching this to you. Wow, you actually have a teacher to teach you how it's done. I didn't have that. I had some dude talked to me on a call one time. It made no fucking sense. And then I had to extrapolate that over years. It took me years to figure that what the fuck he was talking about. There's no lessons for this anywhere. There's zero education for this style of trading, right? So I had to figure it out on my own. You know how terrible of a teacher no teacher is? It's the worst teacher. Having no teacher is the worst teacher. Actually, ICT might be the worst teacher. And then let's just look. Imagine having someone having a prop firm teach you everything for free. Imagine how many people would have paid 10K years ago to have this. You're welcome, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, one day I might not do this anymore. Who knows, right? We'll see. Hey, Chris, how would you describe yourself? Volatile. If I had to use one word to describe myself, it would be volatile. Bro, I am an exciting person, okay? There's a reason why Maven is the way Maven is, right? There's a reason why my channel is the way it is. There's a like I just do shit without thinking, okay? I just come up with an idea and then go full force into it with no thought and absolute retard max into it, okay? Right? That is how I live my life, okay? And it's very interesting and it's very exciting, but it's very dangerous, first of all, right? And there's a reason why I am no longer the CEO of the company, right? Is because CEOs of the company have to be very meticulous and very, very concentrated on everything, right? I am not that person, right? I used to be the CEO. I gave it to John because he's a better CEO. I'm better for content. I'm better for crazy ideas. I'm better for visionary sort of things, right? Not very good at corporate stuff, right? And so you know that it was a good decision. It was a good decision to not be the CEO anymore, right? I use DMC for analysis, but explain how you take entries, candle bodies, or I mean like, I'm like I don't like it would depend, right? And the thing is, with every question you guys have, it pretty much always depends on the situation, right? There's no situation that's the same, right? You know, if like how would I take an entry right now? Well, I'm expecting this to go lower, but I don't want to be a bear, right? So I want to buy here maybe, and we'll see. We'll see the reaction maybe, right? Like, it could honestly just rip down actually, because we did have a failure to make a new high yesterday. But overall, everything's been bullish, so it just kind of makes sense to look for entries for longs, right? Actually, I'm gonna cancel out that one and only take this low, and then we'll wait for reactions. Actually, we'll wait for a reaction because I'm not certain. So I'd rather take a I'd rather shoot for a better trade if I can. Actually, this regained, so we're gonna take a long right now. Actually, we're gonna take a long right now, because we just regained there. We're gonna take a long to the next high. Actually, the reason being is because so we have this range lock. We've already satisfied the down move, right? So we want to be buying in this area roughly. We already kind of explained that. We regained the zone, so we're going to be going for a new high, okay? That's it. We're just going for the new high, and we're going to put a stop basically somewhere. We'll do like this, right? Okay. That's what we're doing. Let's go. Okay. That should spike up on open. We're getting some bounce, actually. Way bigger win rate now. Fuck ICT. Yeah, dude. ICT is not very good at this. I mean, he might be making money, but the reality is majority of people making money aren't actually beating the market. They're just pretending to trade. Like, there's no point in their trading is what I'm saying. Most people who trade and do make money, they don't actually have any idea how to make more money than doing nothing, right? Because doing nothing makes money. Okay, so somebody says one word that comes to Chris is genuine. I would appreciate that word too, or authentic or something. That'd be a nice word. Yeah, that'd be a nice word to describe me. Does Maven allow copiers? No. Can you get a new playlist for? I mean, like, how much work do you expect me to do? You know what I mean? Like, how much work do you expect me to do for free for you, right? There's already multiple education courses on there. I'm posting as much as I can. I also live trade for you, and I run a company. And on top of that, I like to also trade myself sometimes, maybe, right? And then have a life and go exercise and whatnot, right? And then I'm making content as well, traveling around, right? Like, how much time do you think I have for you? You know what I mean? That's for you. Right? Like, me making those videos is for you, right? Like, I lose money when you guys take money from my prop firm. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right. This is gonna rip up. It's just gonna rip up on open. It's just gonna rip up. Look at this. It's just gonna rip up. Look at this, boys. It's just ripping up. That's it. We just, that's all it's going to do. It's just going to go straight up. You made $1,000 using DMC. Fuck yeah, dude. That's sick. Why are you reading Bible verses to me, bro? Your Discord helped me understand. You're welcome, bro. Omo challenge. Yeah, the Omo challenge is fucking sick. Hey, rip up. Let's go. Come on, baby. I told you. Right on open. Hey, I gotta move to the East Coast, bro. I gotta move to the East Coast so I can start trading the open. Because I'm fucking good at the open, all right? I'm really good at the open. I'm really good at the open. Do you see this? Fucking clean, baby. Fucking clean. Bro, let's go. Let's go. Clean. Right on. Just, how did he know? How did he know? How did he know it would go down and then up? Like, literally the pre-market, we told you come down here. Let's go straight up, baby. Let's go. Let's go, dog. Okay, wait. Just straight up. Just straight up. Let's go. Is it going to reject there? No, it's going to go. It's going to go. Let's go. Come on, a little more. Just keep gaining, baby. Keep gaining. What we got to do is probably trail that, eh? We got to trail the stop now. Okay, we didn't need that. We knew we didn't need that, but we can just start trailing it, right? 1 minute. Like, people say don't trade the 1 minute. I would agree with them. A lot of people say trade the 1 minute. I would disagree with them, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it anyways.
Market just got bling blinged.
Bling bling, motherfucker. Told you, straight up, baby. Straight up on open. This is literally all you need. This is the strategy. I told you guys on the open. I told you on the open, this is what's going to happen. This is the strategy. This works nearly 100% of the time, okay? Nearly 100% of the time. And I just proved to you straight up, straight to target. Let's go. It's going to gain one more. It's going to gain one more, and then we're going to close this out. Look at this go. You only need to trade 3 minutes a day, dude. 3 minutes. Should I just close this $1,000? 3 minutes. Fucking hell, dog. I want to close it. I want to 5 minute day. Wait, I want to close it I want to close it in a 5 minute day. 4 minutes. What are we at here? What are we at here? Let's go. Rippity dippity do, baby. $1,300. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Okay. Boom. Close it. $1,500. $1,500. 4 minutes. That's it. That's how you do it, bro. Fuck yeah. Like literally, that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Game's over. That's the day. Walk away. Go spend your wealth. That was only one lot too. That was only one lot. That was only one contract. $1,500. Easy. Easy. Imagine doing that every single day. Just be like, okay, that's my work day. It's possible, dude. I'm fucking good at this. All right. That's all you needed to do. I literally need to move to the East Coast because my brain works so much better at this time. It's 9 a.m. instead of 6 a.m. You're still holding? I mean, you could. It's going to go new highs, probably. It's going to go, it might just keep ripping. But what we could do is, you know, if you want to just, wait. There we go. Yeah, I mean, it's probably just going to keep ripping. It might just keep ripping. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of this range lock, so I want to be careful. I don't know if it's going to reject here now, so I do want to chill, right? You don't need to, like, that was a good trade, right? You don't need to gamble, right? If we let it go, like, this is a gamble. This is not. We knew it was going here. We knew it was going to go here, right? But if I extend it, now I'm a gambler. Do you see the difference? Because I don't know if it's going to reject here or not. So it's 50-50, and I don't like 50-50. I want to take my profit and get out. Right? What strategy is this for New York Open? It's fucking dumb money concepts, baby. Your 5 months of income in 5 minutes. Isn't that crazy? That was literally 5 minutes, dude. Less than 5 minutes. Well, Chris says the market does. You're welcome, bud. You're welcome. Who passed their challenge off that? Are you doing futures or options? I'm trading on Maven. Neither futures nor options. Only prop firm founder in the whole world that trades live. Yeah, you got that right, buddy. Right. So that's literally, I mean, some of you could just keep holding it if you want, but let's look at other things. Like, I want to see copper shooting up. Let's see how SCCO fucking mooned, baby. Yeah, dog, mooned on the open. That's some more money for us right there. Cause we longed this, bro. There's fucking gold's going up. Let's see gold. Break down some gold here. Oh, yesterday was not a great close, eh? It's rather choppy, gold right now, and I'm just kind of being patient. Like, I have some gold, but I don't want to go heavy, because it could easily come down, right? I have some gold, so we just chill, right? But these swing plays say, hey, they might not run this up today. It looks like it might come down, honestly. Gold, I might be a bit bearish, honestly, but I'm a bit uncertain, so I don't really want to trade it. XRP I want to look at too. I'm gonna look at XRP. XRP hasn't really done much in a while, eh? Yeah, I'll still wait on XRP before I get back in. Chris, what does your 6 month roadmap look like? What are you planning to learn and accomplish during this time? 6 months would bring me to winter time. I don't know. I want to go camping. Bro, my life is simple, dude. I don't have anything like I'm not an ultra crazy high achiever like a lot of these like gurus tell you they are. I just make my money. I make some content. I run the things behind the scenes for Maven. I work regular sort of hours, right? Nothing too crazy. I have everything I want, right? I worked super hard for a few years straight, and that's all you need to do, right? Like I don't really want the fucking yacht or the billions of dollars, right? Like I don't really care. So look at this. We're gonna see. Um, we're gonna see where this closes. I wanna watch these next couple closes because they might eat up the whole thing and go back the other way. I'm thinking they might go back the other way. I made profit with this trade then in months. My subscribe trading group. I thought you didn't scalp. I do anything, bro. It's all the same. It's just scalping is harder. Okay. So I recommend people don't do it until they get really good. And I'm very good. Scalping is something that you have to be mentally alert for. And for where I live, it's a bad idea for me to be scalping at 6 a.m. Unless I can wake up super early, which I generally am. I just kind of sleep in because I'm lazy. Um, yeah, my computer screen's smaller now because yeah. So look at this. Is this gonna fail? Is it gonna fail? Oops. What's going on here? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. If they close this bullishly, it looks like they might continue for the day up, just straight up. What's the indicator? It's called Polytrends. It's $250 a month. Can you recommend which video to see entry and stop loss on your strategy? Just the recent dumb money videos, bro. Just watch them. Like I don't remember, dude. Just watch them. You'll learn. Like entry is always based off of closes. That's all. Um, I think this might continue. Let's see how this closes. This might just rip for the day. This might just rip all day, dude. Can you please show us some swing trades you are holding and your thought process behind? I'm currently in gold and copper, mostly. I mean, they're more for fundamental reasons, right? Like copper, there's a shortage, and going to be expected to rise like meteorically, right, over the next decade. And gold is just a safe asset that's had a pullback, right, during a massive uptrend, right? Still relatively strong, bouncing off these weekly lows, right? Bitcoin, I have a little bit of Bitcoin, but not too much right now. I'm a little bit uncertain, right, because we are rejecting off the monthly. right? But the weekly candles has regained this previous level, so I started buying back into Bitcoin now, right? So anywhere 80K and below, I'm happy buying Bitcoin, right? Because I can double my money without any question. Like it'll go to 160 for sure in the next cycle, right? So all I care about is how fast can I double my money, right? When I'm looking at crypto, it's how fast can I double my money? And if I'm buying at 80, if I'm buying, like you can do swing plays like this. If I'm buying at 80, I only have to go up to 160 to double my money. That should be fucking within the next year, right? So a year to double your money is pretty good. If you do that every year for a decade, right, you're a millionaire. No matter what, you're a millionaire. If you do that every year for a decade. How to swing trade with DMC? It's the exact same. It doesn't matter. It's the exact same thing. It's all the same. Everything's a fractal. Everything's a fractal itself, right? So this is gonna go straight up today. Nice. This is gonna go straight up all day probably. Yeah, just clear sky, clear sky. So what I would do is now that we've already won one, I'd probably just take a, oh man, it just ripped. It's just ripping. Oh man, we missed it. Okay, this is they beat me to it. What I was gonna do is just put a light one. You can just put a light one in, right? But they just fucking ripped it up so fast. That's crazy. Yeah, dude. What time frames do you recommend for prop firm? 1 hour. How much money could you do in a month with trading if you had no company? I mean, it depends how much money I have, bro. Honestly, I'll be honest with you. I think that's the day. I think the day is over. We made our trade, and like there's no way I want to trade this when it's just ripping like that now, because there's too much loss potential. So 1700 running on fucking sick, dude. I'm glad you kept it. I mean, if I were you, I'd close out some here. If you have it running, close out some for sure and just let it just sit on it all day, and then just close it at the end of the day and see where it ends up. Because this is probably not going to shoot back down, right? Like even these 4 hours, there's no chance. There's no chance it's going to shoot back down. It's literally gaining on everything significantly, right? But you know, Christian asked, how much money do I think I could make in a month? I think I could make 10% a month, right? Right. If I had $1,000, how much? I mean, I would blow it. If I only had $1,000, I would just risk it all and blow it, right? But I think I could make 10% a month, and that's me being an incredibly good trader, and that's if I focused on trading. But 10% a month is insanely good, right? So, right, like realistically, like, let's say you have a 10K account, right? A 10K account, you could probably place one lot. You basically what did I just risk, right? I just made what, $1,500, right? So if you had a 10K account, that would be a bit too much to probably be risking per trade. So let's say you had a 100K account, right? 100K account, we would have just made 1.7%, right? 1.7%, right? So this is roughly what I would expect, right? So that's a pretty regular trade in a day. So a winning day might be 1.7%. I have currently on screen, you can see I have a 77% win rate, right? And I'll have to update that later because it'll be a bit higher. But let's just round it up and say it's 80, okay? So, and there's 21 trading days. We're just going to call it 20, okay? Because we're going to take 1 day off, let's say. Okay, we'll call it 20 trading days in a month. So wait, 1.7. What is, oh wait, clear 20 days times 0.8, right? I think it's 16. Yeah, 16 winners, 16 winning days in a month times, so we'll say 1.7, right? So the winning days would accumulate to 27%, right? But then you have to count losing days also. So losing days, let's say 4 losing days, and let's just say -8, right? So it'd be 27 minus 8 for all the losing days. So like 19% in a month, right? Which is fucking, like, that'd be insanely high. So, you know what I mean? Like, it's not that crazy to think that you could trade like that, right? If you just took a one trade per day on the open, right? You could potentially be making 10 to 20% a month, right? Can I look at hype? I mean, I don't really hype. I think it's fucking just a shit coin, right? Like, I don't even know what this is, bro. It's a shit coin. Hype. It just looks like a shit coin to me. It's like, what the fuck's it? What are we even looking at, dude? It's garbage. Garbage coin. I mean, what do you want here? Let's see here. Failing to make new highs. It's gonna go for these lows. Okay, there you go. Go in there. 10%. What if you just focus on? I mean, I have no way to determine high probability setups, right? I think I could make 10% a month, and yeah. Do you advise 1 hour time frame for futures platforms? Yeah. For beginners, you should trade the 1 hour. Right. That's an insane pump, bro. That's an insane pump. I think I might just even call it a day there. I only slept on the plane in 4 hours, so I'm in Miami now, so I think I should take a nap and call it a day. But we got some clips. Hopefully some people made some money, and I think that's all we need to do today. For the next week, I'll be on the market open every day on the market open, okay? And we're just gonna do exactly that. We're gonna take 1 or 2 trades on the open for the first hour. We'll do pre-market and the open, okay? So make sure we're watching, okay? Sweet, good stuff. I'll see you guys.